guys, a little shop update of what we have going on this week. Right now it's looking like Tesla Nation. We have Model Y here ready for delivery, got full front end, bottom of doors, and a few little extras like door sills and door edges. We have this blue one over here that's getting a full stealth conversion. The gray one actually already got a full stealth conversion, but unfortunately they had a little incident. Someone hit them in the back, or they had a little minor accident. So we're replacing the film. Luckily, the damage is only on the film and a slight chip in the paint. We're able to touch it up and put back the new film. Hopefully it'll look like nothing ever happened. We also have another blue Model 3 that's getting a full front end and rocker kit, as well as an X5 that's getting a full car PPF. The X5 is most likely going to be a custom kit, something that we're pretty good at, and we're looking forward to seeing the results.
Salut, c'est Hugo de Top Rap, et aujourd'hui je vais vous parler de cette wagon A4 convertie en S4. Elle était grise d'origine, couleur d'origine, mais là on est en train de la wrap en noir satin. Ici en arrière, on a Max en train de travailler sur le bumper arrière. Il fait des inlays, et une fois terminé, on pourra lay le bumper arrière. Et une fois fini, on pourra continuer. Puis l'auto sera finie dans comme 3 jours, disons. 3 jours, ça sera fini.
Inside the shop, we have this 4Runner TRD Pro. It's getting full front end and bottom of doors, as well as a full paint correction and ceramic coating. We're going to be applying G-Technique Ultra on this. The final result should be beautiful. Behind over here, we have a full stealth conversion on this Model S with a few gloss black accents. We did almost a complete chrome delete. We left his badges in chrome. We did his wheels in black. The windows are tinted and the windshield is tinted in ceramic, so it'll help him keep him cool. The red Model S is getting a full paint protection film also on the entire car, and that's about it. So that's all we have going on this week. Make sure to like, subscribe, and keep following us to see what we have going on.